This is a brief explanation of how to make the library resources link to a course library guide visible if it isn't already. We're looking at a course that I am embedded in, an art history course. I see that the library resources link is not showing, so I'm going to go down here and click on Settings. Once I'm in Settings, I'm going to scroll back up and look at the top for Navigation. If I click on the Navigation link and scroll down to the navigation items down here that are hidden, I see library resources among them. So I can click on it and drag it up to the area for things that are going to be displayed. Now I'll hit Save, and I see that library resources is now among the displayed items. If I click on it, the course's LibGuide displays right in the Canvas shell. Now, if library resources is not among the hidden items for your course, you will have to ask somebody to add it for you. As far as I know, the library is not able to do this. I once asked Glenn Parker to do it for me and he was very helpful, but I'm sure there are other folks in the systems admin area that can help.